Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how to perfectly clean, marinate and then fry bulk chicken. That's 40 pieces to be precise, in the comfort of your home. So do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. So in a big bowl, I'll add my chicken which has already been prepped and all unwanted parts has already been cut just to save time. I'll start by adding some white vinegar and then please be generous when pouring because you need more. And I'll add some lemon juice when I'm done, and this together will help remove any of aroma from the chicken. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so do check. And like I said, to save time, I'm just showing you a sneak peek of how I use the lemon to clean each part or every part of the chicken. And this really helps a lot because we don't want any of aroma from the chicken. When I'm done, I'll just add some water and I'll allow it to sit for 20 minutes maximum. While I prep the next ingredient, so to a blender, I'll just add some cloves of garlic, ginger, rosemary, some green chilies, Kpakposhito, star anise, and then some onion, and I'll put to a blend. Do add some water if your blender can't blend without water. Done blending, I'll just pour some into a bowl, and then I'll add some chicken seasoning. I'll add some pepper, and I'll add some all-purpose seasoning, some herbs, and then I'll top it up with some salt, and I'll mix everything. So after mixing, I realized that the pepper wasn't much and then I needed more. So I added enough pepper and then mixed again. Aside that, everything was perfect. So because of time, I had to wash everything off camera and I cleaned and washed under running water for like 4 times. And afterwards, I used a skewer or a kebab stick to make an incision on each chicken, and this will help it marinate properly. So in a bowl, I'll just add some chicken and then I'll add the marinade step by step. By doing so, it will help marinate properly. Also making sure say seasoning no akọ enam no ho yie, and into na medi gu mu nkakra no. So I'll just be repeating same process until there's no more chicken. So if you're still here with me and then you are still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Please do share to others, like and then subscribe to help boost my channel. So when I'm done, I'll cover with a cling film and I'll leave it in a cold area for 12 to 15 hours. I actually needed it on a Saturday, but I prepped everything on Friday. Yeah, and that really helps a lot. Ebuama seasoning ni kukumu ye pa. So after 16 hours, I'll just remove the cling and then I'll transfer the chicken into a big pot. And I'll just rinse the bowl with a little amount of water, and I'll be cooking this for 30 minutes on a medium to low heat. Yeah, because the chicken is very soft. Into that means akoko no bɛbobɔ so bebree, so I just put part here and then put other parts in a separate pot. I don't really add water when cooking my chicken because I want the chicken to release its own juice and flavor. I'll be using this 5-liter deep fryer to fry the chicken, and I mostly use this when I'm making bulk orders since it saves a lot of time. And I shipped some to Ghana during Christmas, and I think it's left with 2. So if you need some, send a dim and then I'll give you a number to contact. So I only preheated it and then added some oil, and after 30 minutes the chicken is ready to be fried. So I'll just add the first batch, and in about 5 minutes I was done. So I'll just remove it and then I'll repeat the same process until I'm done. But just look at the outcome. It was so beautiful. The chicken was just fried to perfection, and then trust me, they all loved it. I'll just allow it to cool down and then start packaging it. Thank you so much for watching till this far. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. And then I'll see you in my next video. Have a blissful week. Bye.